Okay, so I'm gonna do my fidgets. All of them. Well, not all of them, just some of them. So the first fidget I have is this cupcake poppet. Jumbo cupcake. So that's the first fidget I have. Okay, and the next fidget I have is, hold on, sorry. This T-Rex poppet, it's green. So that's the next poppet I have. And then the next one is this unicorn. This part is popping out, but it's really good. Then the fourth one, I have this orange T-Rex, and I also have red T-Rexes and purple T-Rexes, which you might see later if I can find them. Next, I have a pop tube, which I can't do it with this one. I have a lot more pop tubes, but I have 4 big ones and 2 mini. So let's see. Oh, next I have this dumpling needle. It's a little dirty, but then I have the case for it. There's the bottom. Hold on. There's the bottom of the case. If you're wondering what that is, that's my dogs. My dogs, because they're being bad. Okay. Next, I have this textured monkey needle. It's blue. I would stretch it. Oh, I'm gonna use my pinky finger. Okay, so there's the monkey needle. I have 50 poppets. I'm not gonna do all of them. This poppet is really bad. It pops up. Here it is. Pops up. And yeah, it's like not even the best poppet, but yeah. Then I have 2 more of those. 1, 2, 2 more. And then I have this tie-dye pink heart poppet. It's really good, but okay. The next fidget I have is, I have this net that you can put on your stress balls whenever they're like a stress ball that you want to put a mesh on. Next I have this clay. I have a bunch of clays and they're like slimes, but let me open this, sorry. Okay, I got the clay open. It actually, it's really nice. Ooh, it's sticking to my nail, and now I have nail, or clay behind my nail. But it's like clay, really good clay. Let me get this out of my nails really quickly. Okay, I did it. Sorry. Okay, so next we have this bear poppet. Oopsie. This bear poppet. This one. And there's like Five Below has poppets and stuff if you want poppets. I have one poppet from Five Below and I traded it. I used to have a cheetah triangle. You know, I have a bunch of fidgets in my dad's car because I left it for soccer. So, in another video I might show you those and then do something else. But here is this triangle, or hexagon, or octagon, whatever you want to call it. Pop it. And then is the tiniest bubble ever. Pop it. It's like, it doesn't look that tiny, but it's a mini Pop It with the tiniest bubbles ever. Let me compare it to one of my actual T-Rexes. Okay, that's the size difference and the bubble difference. Literally, like, 3 of these bubbles wouldn't even make one of these. I can't really pop it because they're so tiny, but there's the pops. Another one of these. Oh, I have a strawberry Orbeez stress ball. I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, which is fun. I also got like a grape or like a pear, but it came popped, which sucked, but yeah. Next is this giant Nito. Okay, I might not be able to do this whole thing, but then I have this caterpillar texture marking needle. This butterfly has a hole, but it's still really good Pop It. That's the bad side, I think. There's really no bad side. There's one pop right there. I have a really cool Pop It bracelet that I got for my birthday, and then the purple little dinosaur. So first I'll show you the purple dinosaur. I can't pop it. Sorry, this angle's really bad. Then we have this mini Pop It bracelet, or it's not mini Pop It, but it's a Pop It bracelet. A really cool one. I've never seen a Pop It bracelet like this. It looks like a flower almost. Then I have this dog squishy. It has a donut. But it's like a squishy. Then I have this other heart Pop It. It's not the same because this one actually is red. The other one had no red. It had like pink and blue and purple. And whatever colors. Okay. So, I'm sorry. Then I have this carrot. It's also really good. There's like no bad side. Hold on. The pops are bad because they can't really pop it right now. See? Nice pops now. They're even better pops. So that's the carrot Pop It, and it has little bunny textures on it. Very good. Okay. Then I have a blue pop tube, which is really cool. It's a light blue one. But for some reason, these parts like aren't going down. Like, I don't know why. Then I have, oh, here's the popped grape one. It has a hole all the way up here. Or like whatever this is. I think it's probably a green grapes, but oh, okay. Next I have this yellow bead stress ball. Oh, sorry. And then this pink bead stress ball. This one's worse for some reason. There's like no air in it. I think there's a hole. Oh yeah, I think that's a hole. Okay. I don't think, because it's not focusing. Sorry, it's so gross looking. But it has, I think it has a hole, because there's no air in it. Okay. Then I have this homemade stress ball. I have a bunch of balloons for making stress balls. And then I have this Mama Squishy. I'm so sorry. I have a lot more, but I have this poop dog squishy. This 3 dimple. I don't know what to call it. A triple dimple. That's what it's called. A triple dimple. So I have this triple dimple. I love the, because I don't normally see orange pops, so I love the orange pops. And then a mini heart poppet. There's so much, like I can't pop it. And then I have this really gross but shiny globble. Another textured monkey noodle, purple. 2 mini pop tubes, a purple one and a green one. But it's also kind of broken, like, because this piece, I can't see, oh, this piece right there. I think I made it broken because of it. Then I have this clay, which I don't want to mix together because it's like a galaxy. And then I have this splat ball. I actually got this from like a school fair thing. It wasn't a fair, it was a, not a fair, not a school fair, like a winter wonderland fair kind of thing where you can get stuff. Then I have a pink pop tube, really cool. I can't pop it much, but yeah. Then we have this simple dimple. It's blue, or yeah, blue and pink. I don't know what to call this. Should I call it a butterfly or a bow? I think it's a bow, but I don't know. What should I call it? Okay, now we're gonna bring in one mochi, and then this will be done, and we'll do a part 2. Well, we won't, but we'll do something else. But here is the little ducky. Okay, bye.